Hi, my name is Arnav, and I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School. For my last milestone, for my Hexbot project, I made the robot do the Cupid Shuffle dance. Here's a demo of that. So the first thing I did for this milestone was actually code in the Arduino IDE. So Arduino uses a variant of C++, which was initially a challenge for me because I didn't realize it was exactly like Java. So once I realized that, it was pretty easy. So to code it, I had to code every single individual motion of the robot. And that caused a lot of problems because even getting one value wrong meant that the entire motion, the dance of the robot and the timing could be off. So I had to do a lot of iterations of the same dance and keep re-uploading it and keep experimenting with it. So the next thing I did was attach another baseboard and attach Velcro straps to the baseboard so I could strap on the battery to the robot. One issue I had with the Velcro was that the plastic covering, which covers the adhesive, I kept that on because the adhesive was really sticky and hard to work with. So I decided not to use it. The next issue I had was with broken motors. Every time I had a broken motor, it meant that I had to replace the motor. So I had to disassemble the robot, replace the motor, then reassemble the robot, recalibrate it, and re-upload the code. So it's a pretty lengthy process, and it took up a lot of time. Uh, so some key topics for this milestone was for loops when coding. So with for loops, I'm able to control how many repetitions of a certain part of the code, how many times it runs, which is important in the Cupid Shuffle dance because it's basically a repetitive line dance. So it's the same lines of code running over and over again. For my next steps, I'm going to attach an Arduino speaker so that I can actually play the music from the robot itself instead of from my laptop or from an external device. So the music and the dance of the robot will be synced automatically. Basically, to do that, I have to solder the speaker to the circuit board and using male-to-male wires. And I need to connect the male-to-male wires to a ground terminal and any digital I/O terminal. Thank you.